Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Roblox. First, you'll need to download the Roblox application, which is available on many platforms including PC, Mac, mobile devices, and Xbox. Once installed, create a free account by choosing a unique username and a strong password. This account will be your identity within the Roblox universe. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home screen, where you can immediately begin exploring millions of user-created games. It's a simple process to get started and dive into the fun. Navigating Roblox is straightforward. The home screen features a prominent search bar at the top, allowing you to find specific games by name or explore different genres like adventure, role-playing, or simulation. You can also filter games by various categories such as popular, top-rated, or recommended for you to discover new experiences. To join a game, simply click on its icon to view more details, then select the green play button. Most games load within 30 seconds, getting you into the action quickly. Once inside a game, understanding the mechanics and controls is key. Basic movement usually involves the WASD keys on a keyboard or a virtual joystick on mobile. Your mouse or touchscreen will be used for interacting with objects, picking up items, and communicating with other players. Each game has its own unique objectives and rules, so take a moment to read any on-screen tutorials or descriptions. Many games offer a brief tutorial at the start, guiding you through the first 5 minutes of gameplay to ensure a smooth experience. Roblox is also a highly social platform. You can chat with other players using the in-game chat feature, which often includes moderation to ensure a safe environment. Adding friends allows you to easily join their games or invite them to yours, and many games support up to 30 players in a single server. Don't forget to customize your avatar. There are thousands of free clothing items and accessories, plus millions more available for purchase with Robux, allowing for endless personalization to express your unique style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.